All right, doing some bike packing today. Might be reversed, I don't know. Withlacoochee State Trail, Gulf Junction Trailhead. So I'm hitting here, headed south through Inverness. I think I'm shooting for Croom, the Croom area, to camp for the night and then bike back. The Nemo 3-person, got a chair, backpack, mattress pad, food, stove. Got the bike. Specialized Awol. I meant to grab panniers and forgot. This is going to work though. And I'm going to load up everything on the bike and head south. All right, and I'm off. Only about a mile in. Usually takes me a mile and a half too to get my stride. So it's gonna be a long day. But if I were to continue this path, it would go all the way like to Tampa, or a little east of it. I'm going about 35 miles. And I'm actually not sure where it goes north, but I know this is part of the Florida trail system. People hike it. It's one of the sections you can take. There's another one that runs through Orlando, but they both end up in the same place, somewhere in the forest or north of it. So there's going to be places to camp along here, but I'm not sure where I'm going to be able to stay. Even some of the state parks I tried said they were all full, so I might be doing some stealth camping, which I'm totally good with. But hopefully there'll be some places around Croom. Problem is hunting areas. They're big on don't do that, which is why I'm not in the Ocala forest. But I like bike packing anyway. I mean, you know. So when I get a little closer, I'm gonna start looking for a place to stay on maps, and if I don't find anything, I'll just ditch off in the woods somewhere. But just about having some time off and getting out in the woods, so here we go. Whoa. Check the mileage that I did, but good place to stop. Bathrooms, water fountains, all that stuff. Filled it in my bottle, although I've barely used any. But yeah, I don't need food or anything, so just gonna keep on going. Went on, made a reservation. Two of the other places I wanted to go into, or wanted to go to in Croom, didn't have reservations, but Hog Island did. So I'm at Hog Island, whatever that may entail. I think I've done about 34, 35 miles, I don't know. So yeah, I'm ready to pitch tent for the night. Just gotta figure out where to go and what's here. Bathrooms, good to know. Copped out and had a little dinner at the Riverfront restaurant, something like that. It's like 3.5 miles from the campground, and that was good. Plus a couple bush lattes, and now I'm headed back to camp. Yeah, my legs are feeling it. But the campground's cool. Haven't really seen much else. Got some rowdy neighbors, but comes with the territory. And that's about all I know. Time to go chill until it gets too dark and boring. Then I go to sleep. Slept like 10 hours. Get the best sleep while you're camping. Remembered the coffee this time and forgot my mug. Can't win them all. I heard him this morning screaming while I was in bed. That's so cool though. I love turkeys. Yeah, this is Florida to me. It's kind of home for me. My grandparents live on the Withlacoochee River, 30 miles north of here, maybe 20. This is awesome. Yep, a lot of good memories on the Withlacoochee, hunting, fishing, boating, airboating. So, I usually forget until I get back on her. Okay, now the plan is to head back north. Gotta go pack up the tent, and I'm in no hurry, which is good because my legs are probably cooked. They feel great right now, but I did 41 miles yesterday, including my trip to go get dinner. So it's 34 if I just go directly to Dunnellon. So I'm gonna pack up the camp and then probably stop in like Floral City. Floral City looked really cool. I mean, very cute, very quaint, but I want to check it out some more. And then probably Inverness. I love Inverness. Okay, my portable charger only got my phone to like 40-something% last night before it ran out of juice, and it was like 3/4 full. So I gotta get another one of those. But there was power in the bathroom, so I was able to get it charged up, but didn't get to film any of the breaking down camp. But that's it. Loaded up, headed out. Feel it in my butt, feel it in my legs, but it's good. Nothing to it but to do it. So, Northbound. Okay. back on the trail. I'm in Floral City, but this little guy caught my eye. So clean. I'm not really sure what's here, but I kind of dig Floral City. It's just cute, and well, there's a diner right up the street, so I'm gonna go get some breakfast. Okay, that was awesome. Good veggie omelet. Now I'm way too full to ride, and I probably have like 25 miles to go. It's okay. Time to burn off some of this food, but that was exactly what I wanted. Nice little home diner breakfast. Okay, just stopped for a little siesta. Everything's sore, but it's like my body says, all right, if this is what we're doing, let's do it. And we had a really good time. I am exactly 30 miles in from Hog Island, and 4 more to go to get back to the truck. Well, including the 2.8 miles each way to get to dinner last night, that's putting me 73.6 total miles for this trip. Pretty cool. Definitely feeling it, but cool. So I just got to push through this last 4 miles and get back to the truck, and then it'll be mission accomplished. So, how the hell did you get up that hill? Look at this hill. Whoa, there's another. Just realized. Oh, dang, I missed it. Just realized why it worked so hard to get up the hill. You know? It's a guy thing, I guess. Scratches from loading up the bike before I left. Love that. Anyway, success. I'm too sweaty to get this clean enough, so you got to deal with the haze. Made it. 73.6 miles. It's good. It's good. Good to get out in the woods. That's it. Unpack, load up, head home, find a beer. So.